What exactly is glowing skin, you ask?
What? What?
Well, it's when your skin is free from acne, hyperpigmentation, scars, and dark spots. It's that flawless, radiant complexion that makes you feel absolutely beautiful. And guess what? You're about to achieve it because I have got your back. Today, I'm going to share with you the wonders of vitamin C. Now, if you have ever checked the price of vitamin C products in stores, you have probably been left shocked. But fret not. We are going to prepare a cost-effective and economical vitamin C solution that you can try for a week. It's going to be a challenge, but I assure you, any problem related to your skin can be easily fixed with this amazing remedy. Hey there, gorgeous people. Welcome back to my channel. Begin. Firstly, we shall make chamomile infusion, and in second part we shall use oranges. Chamomile is an herb that comes from the daisy-like flowers. Chamomile helps reduce signs of aging by reducing the appearance of fine lines and giving skin a youthful glow. Take 1/4 cup of chamomile in a bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of calendula. Calendula flowers have petals that serve as a source of vitamin C. It nourishes the skin by brightening and whitening it. Now add 1 big lemon zest. The outermost layer of the lemon peel grated is lemon zest. Lemon peel packs a high amount of vitamin C. Now we shall add 1 cup of water into the bowl of all the ingredients and let it rest in water for 2 to 3 hours. We shall use this strained water in second step to soak orange peel. After 2 to 3 hours, strain the water. This is an excellent toner for your face. I have provided ingredients list link in description box below. So don't forget to check. After 3 hours you can see it's completely infused in water. We will not heat as vitamin C can be destroyed by heat and light. High heat cooking temperatures or prolonged cook times can break down the vitamin. Now we shall strain it and use in second step. I have provided ingredients list link in description box below. So don't forget to check. We shall use this in second part. Take 1 kilogram oranges, wash it and dry it with a towel. Orange's outer layer peel has more vitamin C than its juice. We shall peel the outer layer and leave the white layer. After peeling the skin, take it in a bowl and fill it with first step chamomile water. We shall wrap this and leave it overnight to soak. We are not using heat here as vitamin C will lose its potency. After soaking whole night, grind it to fine paste. Take this paste in a muslin cloth and strain the orange peel paste. Vitamin C cannot be produced by our body. So if you have vitamin C deficiency, then it will lead to gum issues, fatigue and breakouts on skin. To maintain collagen on skin, we need vitamin C. Wow! What a lovely color and aroma. You will fall in love with this once you make it. Trust me guys, it's an amazing feeling. Now add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, store-bought or homemade. I am using homemade aloe vera gel, link in the description below. Add 1 teaspoon of homemade skin whitening serum, link in I button for the video. It's optional. Now add 10 drops of rose hip oil. Add 10 drops of jojoba oil. Add 3 drops of turmeric essential. Add 5 drops of geranium essential oil. And lastly 5 drops of frankincense oil. And let me tell you, everyone can benefit from this, whether you're a girl, boy, man, woman, or a teenager. After blending everything for a minute, your personalized vitamin serum is ready. This will give you amazing result, and you will not leave this in your routine after trying it. Fill it in a bottle and store it in a refrigerator. It will last for 2 weeks. Method of application. First, wash your face properly. Apply this vitamin C serum on your face and leave it for few minutes to dry. Follow it with a natural moisturizer. Use this in your daily routine in morning and night time for better result. I have shared the link of ingredients below in the description below. Don't forget to watch. And also share me your experience after trying this. I am eagerly waiting to hear your beautiful response. So please do comment. Thank you for watching.